Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to tell you what you should and shouldn't do when it comes to picking the parts for your next computer build and building a computer. Anyways, let's get on with the video. Number 1. Pick parts that are right for you. If you're going to do light gaming, you don't, or no gaming at all but light tasks, you don't need to spend a lot of money and get overkill components. You could probably settle for a bit older components if you don't need, the newest stuff for your computer. Number 2. This is something that you should do. Order parts that are within your budget. Let's say, for example, that you don't need the best component. Maybe you could get this. Maybe you could settle for, just a normal a SATA SSD and a single stick of RAM. But that's not, the best thing for a computer. You could probably settle for a very cheap NVMe drive and two 4 gig sticks. But again, that's if you need a lot of 2 sticks of RAM. If you don't need high performance, maybe these things will be good for you. Number 3. Don't pick extremely slow old hardware. If you don't need the oldest hardware for what you're doing, then unless you want to collect something cool, you don't really need to buy it. But then again, that's up to you. Number 4. And this is something that you should do when building. Ground yourself so that you don't short out any components. Because as we all know, RAM is expensive and a lot of computer parts are expensive. And you don't want to have to replace them because you didn't ground yourself. And hey, it can be easy sometimes to ground yourself. Number 5. This is what you shouldn't do when building. Use the wrong bits for what you're doing. This is one of my tool sets. I have a few tools, but let's just say you need a big Phillips head, or maybe a flat head. Depends. Maybe Torx. Pick the size that fits your screw. You don't want to pick the wrong size, because that could break your entire. Because that could strip a screw, and you don't want that. Well, I'll probably strip a screwdriver. And finally, number 6. And this is one more thing you should do. When working on a computer or ordering parts in general. Pick stuff that's for you. That'll fit you. Like, let's just say that you need a very strong PC for what you're doing. Probably heavy gaming. You would want to get parts that aren't gonna, slow you down when you're doing something. And if you only need very slow parts, buy those. Thanks for watching my video. If you want to see more, please consider subscribing. If it's at 100 subscribers, I am going to do another special video. Also, if you haven't already, please watch the 50 sub special video. Thank you. Goodbye.